Last period I taught dishonor of a bill and renewal of a bill. So what do you mean by renewal of a bill? Cancelling the old bill at the request of the drawee for the purpose of extension of credit, because the acceptor, the drawee, find himself unable to meet the liability on the maturity date. So he may request the drawer to extend the period of bill, to cancel the old bill and to draw the new bill and to draw the new bill. Okay, that is called renewal of a bill. So for the period of new bill, the drawer will charge interest for the period of new bill. Clear? So journal entry I will tell. So already I said you can expect questions from renewal. Okay, because renewal means everything will be there from first to first case. Any case will come, then cancel, that I will tell. So if renewal is there, I already said 4 steps are there. First we have to cancel the old bill, cancel the old bill, cancel the old bill, then entry for interest, entry for interest, then entry for part payment, entry for part payment. If you have any doubt you can ask, okay, because it is very important. Entry for part payment, then entry for new bill, entry for new bill. Suppose I said already we prepared, the drawer draws one bill for rupees 10,000. At the time of maturity he is unable to pay, so he may request the drawer to extend the period of, to cancel the old bill and extend the period of credit. So now he have only 2,000. Okay, so now he have 2,000, so that is 2,000 part payment, then remaining 8,000 into percentage they will give in the, for the period of new bill. Suppose 3 months means 3 by 12, period of new bill, period of new bill. So on that basis only we will calculate interest, then entry for new bill, entry for new bill. Same, whenever we receive a new bill, what is entry? Bills receivable account to drawee. Same entry, bills receivable account to drawee, that I will tell. So first one, bill is cancelled. Cancel the old bill. So no need to study, because already you know bill is cancelled means, entry means bill is dishonored. Clear? First entry, if any renewal is there, first entry bill at the time of maturity, at the time of maturity, if the renewal is there, we have to cancel. Cancel means the bill is dishonored, the bill is dishonored. So what is the entry? Drawee account at 2, already you know that. So within one entry, in every case it is specified. Okay, from that only one only it will come. Clear? Already we studied a different case. Suppose retaining the bill retained till maturity is dishonored. What is entry? Why? Drawee account to bills receivable. Clear? If discounted bill is dishonored, Y account to bank. If bill sent for collection is dishonored, Y account to bill sent for collection. Endorsed bill is dishonored, drawee account to endorsee. Clear? Dishonor entry only, first one. So here only one only it will come on the base of question. Sometimes if it is a discounted bill is renewal means Y account to bank. So every case answer entry I given in that entry. Clear? Any doubts? That entry? Dishonor only. Dishonor. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Suppose if it is this case, y accounted to, if it is a normal bill, y accounted to bills receivable. Next we said we will charge interest. We will charge interest. Otherwise, first we can make which one? First entry we can make. Which one? Part payment we can make. Then we will charge interest. Otherwise, first we can. Entry will be y accounted to. If it is dishonored, y accounted to bills receivable. Second entry, interest receivable. Here you look that it is in the books of drawer. Drawer have to get interest. Receivable means still we didn't get, we have to get accrued income, accrued interest. So what is entry? Y accounted to interest. Interest is our income. So interest credit. So y accounted to interest. Okay. If we didn't get interest, so due. Now we are not getting interest. Then entry will be y accounted to interest. Suppose if they are giving interest in cash, then entry will be cash accounted to interest. Normally they will not give. Normally they will not give interest. Suppose 100 is the interest. So we have to get. Any doubts? Suppose if it is a normal bill, y account debtor to bills receivable. First entry. Okay, first entry. Y account to bills receivable. Next, I will make a part payment. 2000 we received. So he said, now I have 2000 already remaining. Which one? You can make a new bill. So, part payment. We received some amount from Y. So, entry will be cash accounted to Y. Cash accounted to Y. Sorry, 2000. So, if you have any doubt, you can ask. After completing this entry, if you have any doubt, 2000. Okay, this is part payment. Part payment. This is one. Cancel the bill. This one, part payment. If he give any amount, if he didn't give means no need. Third one, interest. So we have to get interest. Now if at the time of maturity, now if he is not giving the amount of interest means entry will be Y accounted to interest. Interest is our income drawer. So interest credit. So we have to give. So being interest receivable, how to calculate balance amount? Sometimes on the base of original. In case they are not making part payment means on the base of 10,000. Otherwise, balance amount into percentage. Okay, balance amount into percentage into period of new bill. Into period of new bill. 8,000 into, suppose 10% interest they are charging, period of new bill. Okay, so 200. Clear? First, cancel the bill, draw a account to bills receivable. Then if they make part payment, sometimes it will not come. If they are not making part payment, this entry will not come. Next, Y accounted to interest. Y accounted to interest. Because we have to charge interest for the period of new bill. Sometimes if they give this interest in cash, then no need of this entry. Instead of Y, we can write cash. Instead of Y, normally they won't give. We will add with the new bill. Otherwise, if they give, then cash account to interest. Instead of Y, cash account to interest. Next, last entry, we will make a new bill. We will make a new bill. What is entry? Normal entry. Bills receivable account to bills receivable account to Y. Bills receivable account to Y. Amount how much? 8,000 is the balance amount plus interest. Suppose this bill is, it is given that the bill honored, then last entry will be same like cash or bank account to bills receivable. Normally this much only. If they specify it is honored, that the new bill is honored, cash honoring of new bill, cash account to bills receivable. Normal. 8,200 we got. Sometimes it will not come up to this only, up to this. So once more I will explain. Then also, if you have a doubt, you can, I will explain it. So first you have to cancel the bill, that is dishonor. Dishonor. So draw a account to which case? If it is a normal, bills receivable. If it is discounted, to bank. Next, part payment, cash accounted to Y. Cash accounted to Y. Next, interest, Y accounted to interest. Y accounted to interest. Interest is our income. If it is we receive cash, interest received in cash, cash account to interest. Then new bill, bills receivable account to Y. Suppose if it is honored, cash account to bills receivable. Clear now? Any doubts? Tomlin, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, 4 entry. If you have any doubt, those who have Aditya, Irfan, Basil, any doubts? Okay. So next it is easy. You have to look in the books of drawer. So one thing you have to remember, first 2 entry, otherwise first 3 entry same in the books of drawer. Suppose that a discounted bill is renewal. So first entry, Y accounted to sales. Second entry, bills receivable account to Y. Third entry, bank account debtor, discount accounted to bills receivable. Then fourth entry only this one. Fourth entry only, if it is a discounted bill means instead of bills receivable to bank. Clear now? Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, in the books of drawing, it is very easy. You have to look the drawer entry. Then opposite. Opposite means you look that first one is dishonor. Dishonor entry. Dishonor journal entry. You know that in the books of drawing, only one entry related to dishonor in the books of drawing. What is that? So first one, in the books of drawing only, the books of drawing. Drawing means Y. In the books of Y, drawing. So first one, cancel the bill. cancel the old bill, means dishonor entry, that we know that bills payable account debtor to, if it is noting charge is there, noting charge accounted to X. Clear? If noting charge is there, that you know bills payable account debtor, noting charge account to drawing. Clear? So if you know the journal entry in the books of drawer, opposite only in the books of drawing. First entry. Clear? Next, if noting charge, that also if you noting charge account debtor, if it is there, okay, bills payable account debtor, noting charge account to drawer. In the books of drawer also you know that if noting charge comes, it is a normal bill means to cash, it is a bill sent for collection to cash, remaining same only. So first cancel the old bill. Second one, you look at part payment. Part payment here means cash debit. Here we will receive, drawer will receive amount. There he will give amount to X. Okay. Here cash debit, there cash credit. It will go. So second entry, entry for part payment. So second entry will be part payment. X account debtor to cash account. X account to cash account. 2000. Then third, entry for interest. Entry for interest. The thing is that here he have to give interest. There he will get. Okay, here interest payable. Interest payable. So here, in the point of view of drawing, interest is expenses. So interest accounted to X. If he paid cash, interest account to cash. Paid interest account to cash. Normally payable only, they are receivable only. So we calculated already 200. Balance amount into percentage into period of new bill. Just opposite you look. Their interest credit, here interest debit. Their cash debit, here cash credit. Next, new bill. Already we know that. Their bills receivable, here bills payable. Entry for new bill. X account debtor to X account to bills payable. Bills payable. Balance amount plus interest. That only new bill. You have to get balance amount plus interest. This much only. If bill is met, new bill is met on the date of maturity, then normal entry. Bills payable account to cash. Okay. Any doubts? So 4 entry cancel means dishonor. First dishonor, if any dishonor is there at the time of maturity, dishonor, then part payment, then interest, then new bill. Normally 3. Sometimes if part payment is not there means only 3 entry. Dishonor, interest. In the books of drawer, Y accounted to interest. Interest is income. Y accounted to interest. Next, new bill, bills receivable account. That is normal. Acceptance received. Okay. So these are the entry. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. So here, X is the drawer, Y is the drawee. Drawer will get interest from X will get interest from Y. So in the books of X, interest is our income. So Y accounted to interest. But in the books of drawee have to give interest. He have to give. So in the books of which one? Y, interest is his expenses. So that's why debit. So interest accounted to X. Suppose if we give cash, interest paid cash, interest account to paid interest. What is entry? Interest account to cash. If they are not, if we are not giving means we are adding with the new bill means now due entry means we have to give. Still we didn't give. So interest account to X. Interest amount we have to give to X. Anjo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cancel the bill, dishonor, part payment. In the books of drawer, he will get amount. Cash account to part payment, he will get interest, his income. So credit. The new bill, we know that normal. Second entry, bills receivable account to Y. At the time of maturity, cash account to bills receivable. Okay, then we will do one problem, then you can easily understand. So first one, renewal first one. Adil sold goods worth rupees 3,000 on credit to Shamil. So, and drew a bill for the amount on the latter at 3 months. Shamil accepted the bill and returned to Adil. On the due date, Shamil approached Adil and made a request to accept 500 in part payment. Part payment 500. So you look at it, 3,000 is the amount of the bill, part payment 500. So balance how much we have to get, that you have to remember. And cancel the old bill and drew a new bill at 3 months for the balance with interest at 12%. Balance with interest. Balance with interest. At 12% per annum, Adil agreed to this and new bill was met at maturity. Means that new bill, last entry I said no, that it was honored. That it was honored. Okay, so first one, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Journal entries in the books of Adil. First one, 7th May 2014, Shamil account, normal only, Shamil account debtor to sales account. Shamil account to sales account, being sold goods to Shamil. 3,000. Next, same date, 7/5/14, bills receivable account debtor to Shamil account. Shamil account 3,000 being acceptance received. Being acceptance received. Now 3 month, so 7 plus 3 extra days of grace, 5 plus 3 8 14. Request to renew the bill. So here it is a normal bill, no discounting, no endorsement, nothing. So dishonor, first you have to cancel. So cancel, we know that in every case in the books of drawer, drawee will be debit. Shamil accounted to, if it is a normal bill means secondary opposite. Shamil accounted to bills receivable, no noting charge. Noting charge is to cash, it's receivable account 3,000. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Being bill cancelled. Being bill cancelled. Being bill cancelled. Then you have to look any part payment. Yes, 500 we received. Is it correct? So accept 500 in part payment. So next entry, same date, 10 8 14, cash account debtor to Shamil. Cash account to Shamil, being cash received. Cash received from Shamil. Otherwise, only cash received. 500 we received. Okay, first cancel. If any part payment is there, next part payment. Next, interest, same date, interest. Same date, interest. So here we are not getting interest. Is it correct? Cancel the old bill and drew a new bill. They are specifying that drew new bill with interest. Drew new bill with interest. So we didn't get interest. So what is entry? Shamil account debtor to Shamil account debtor to interest. Shamil account to interest account. Being here interest receivable. Being interest receivable. Accrued income. So how to calculate? Here 3,000 is the amount of their bill. Out of that 500 received. So balance 2,500 into, here they specified the percentage interest, 12% into period of new bill. Period of new bill. Aparna, period
Sir,
new bill.
so 3 months.
3 months. So 3/12. Okay, so we'll get 75. Now same date we will make new bill. Bills receivable, normal entry, second entry, bills receivable account debtor to Shamil account. Being, what do you have to write? Not acceptance received, new acceptance, new acceptance, new acceptance received. So how to calculate? New bill will be 2,500 plus 75, 2,575. Clear? Period of new bill, amount of new bill, balance plus interest, balance plus interest. Then here they specified at the time of maturity the bill was met, honored. So maturity date, how to calculate this? Now we have to look this date, 3 months. So 13 11 13 11 13 11 14. So last entry, cash account debtor to bills receivable account. $2,575. Being amount of new bill received. Okay. Atul, any doubts?
No, sir.
So think first entry, Shamil account sales, second entry, bills receivable good Shamil, then mature date. It is a renewal for entry because part payment is there. First dishonor, Shamil account to bills receivable, part payment, he will get cash account to Shamil, then interest, Shamil account to interest, because interest he will get in future. Then new bill, bills receivable account to Shamil, then last at the time of maturity, cash account to bills receivable. Okay, so next period I will teach journal entries in the books of drawing. Okay, thank you.